Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is David. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I run Amazon Bedrock inference from Vercel. No access key needed, no secrets needed. So if this is something that interests you, stay and let's begin. So I have this LM chatbot that I created. As you can see, it's able to get a response. It's about 1.5 seconds. To show you that I'm actually hosted this in Vercel. Okay, so I'm actually hosting this in Vercel. Basically, it has a documentation that shows you how to configure this using OIDC. So I'm gonna walk you through right now. Vercel actually have their own documentation, so I'm just gonna walk you through. So we're gonna start from square one. So we're gonna add a provider, and we're gonna choose OpenID Connect. And based on this, I'm gonna choose global. Make it simpler. Okay. Then for audience-wise, see, we're gonna choose this one plus Team Slack. What is Team Slack? Is basically this. Every account you created, you have something like this. So I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste it here. Okay. So I'm just gonna add provider. Okay. Then I'm gonna create a role. So I'm gonna create a role and I'm gonna do custom trust policy. Then what Vercel has is something like this. So just take note, this is Teams. We're not going to use Teams. We're going to use something called global provider URL. So I'm just going to copy this and paste everything here. I'm going to change my account name here. Okay, so I'm going to project name Teams Slack. Okay, wait. I'm going to copy this. Gonna paste it here. Okay, gonna do the same for this. Okay, good. So I'm gonna change this as well. Gonna change this as well. I'm gonna put in my project name. My project name is this. Love LM chat. Okay, now that's correct. Give it a Bedrock full access. If you're doing this in production, obviously you have to scope down. And I'm gonna use marketplace. Okay. So now I'm gonna call it Vercel Bedrock access. I'm gonna create a role. Okay. So we have created a role that is tied to the OIDC. So we're gonna make changes on the Vercel platform itself. We're gonna click on settings. We're gonna click on environment variables. Okay, so I have this AWS ARN. I'm gonna make changes here. Because I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna copy the ARN. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna click save. And each time you save, you have to update the variable, so you have to redeploy. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the logs. Okay, good. So is the deployment out? What is 1 + 1? Okay, I have error code status 500. Let me look at what we have. Oh, it's still building. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, let's try again. Still having error. Okay, let's look at the IAM role trust relationship. And I noticed that I'm using OIDC with this suffix, so I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna make sure everything is working fine. I'm gonna click update. Not scope. Okay, I'm gonna remove this backslash. Should work, right? Okay, I'm gonna remove this as well. Okay, so I'm gonna try again. I'm still having error, so I think I know why, because I have a backslash here. So I'm just gonna remove this. Okay, let's hope it works. Doesn't. It's always the same. It's another backslash, so I'm gonna remove this. Click update and let's try. And it works. Okay, good. So let's look at the back end. Let's refresh this. Okay, and it works. What was my last question? So basically there is no persistent storage here, but I did it in such a way that the code allows to reload every time a new chat comes in. So you can see from here it reloads, and if I do a new chat, I'm gonna ask what is my last question. It shouldn't be able to tell, yeah, because I never have any storage. I never created any session, so that is something that I will explore. The important thing is you can do this if you don't have the hardware to run your own LLM. You can just run this on Vercel with WAF tied to your IP address, and you can run your own simulation RAG or for yourself without exposing it to the public. I hope you find this video helpful. Then if you have any questions, please leave your comments below and I'll try my best to get back to you. Bye.